get started with Allwis, just go to appsource.com, search for Allwis, and then get started with the Allwis for Excel SaaS service, not the Excel add-in. So just go through the steps. Once you have done this, when you log on to Excel with the same account that you've used to start the trial, you will see the new Allwis add-in here. You sign in with your account, and this gives you the Allwis interface. The first step to get started is to set up your LLMs. Allwis comes with one LLM, the free OpenAI version pre-configured, so you can use that to start with a simple model without any charges. But normally you want to set up accounts with your own API keys with the major LLMs. So for example, for Claude, you go to console.anthropic.com, log on with your preferred logon method, and then create a key here. The key you just copy and then go back to Allwis and you paste your key, and then you just click on refresh, and then you see all the available Claude models. For OpenAI, you go to platform openai.com API keys, log on with your account, and then create a new key here that you copy and paste to the OpenAI key, click on refresh, and then you see all the OpenAI models, and the same procedure for the other models. The same with Grok, Gemini, DeepSeek, and also self-hosted models that you can also use with Allwis. So here you put in the URL of the server where you're hosting your own self-hosted model, and then put in the API key for this, and then that allows you to manage all your self-hosted model. And that's it. Now you're ready to use all the Allwis functions.